Hello everyone, in this video I'll give an explanation about paragraph 6.4, which is about calculating with letters. Calculating with letters, we need to know how to write a sum into a product. But let's first see an example of this with just numbers, so we can later add letters. So let's say we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, we added 6 5s together. So we can write this as 6 times a 5. Okay, in this case, this part is called a sum, and this part is called a product. And this is a product with two factors. Later we'll add more to them. So now let's see an example with letters. For example, A plus B, plus A plus A plus A. We don't know what the letter stands for, which number they represent. But they are the same number. If we have multiple A's in the same question, these are all the same number. So we can just do the same thing with this. The only thing is that we just don't know. Like this we can calculate, 6 times 5 is 30, but this, which gives 4 times A, yeah, this is how far we can get. We can't calculate this further because we don't know what A is. Okay, but this is a product, and it's very, now we have that multiplication sign here, but it's very common to leave that out, so just 4A is enough. But let's see what happens if we add another factor. So let's see, we have 4 times A times B. This means that we have 4 times A times B. And let's say we know one letter. So we can say with B, no A, let's do A, that A is 2. We can simplify this a bit. So we can make this 4 times 2 times B. And 4 times 2 we can calculate. So we can calculate 4 times 2, which gives us 8, and we put B behind it because that's a factor we don't know yet. Okay, so let's continue simplifying products because there are a lot of ways, a lot of situations you can have. So for example, we have 3 times 6 times B. This is very similar to this example. You can just calculate the first two factors, which is 18B. Okay, but let's look at another example. If we have 4 times A times 6 times B. Alright, in this case we need to rearrange the order a bit. That's possible because these are all multiplications. So if we rewrite this, we put the numbers in front. So we get 4 times 6, and then we let the letters stay in alphabetical order behind it. So we have A, B. Well, we can simplify this further, 6 times 4, which gives us 24AB. We can leave out the multiplication sign. Okay, now what happens if we have two letters that are the same in this multiplication? Let's say 8 times B times 5 times B. Let's rewrite this, which gives us 8 times 5 times B times B. Well, in this case, you know that B times B can be shortened because a number times itself gives a power, a square in this case. So if we simplify this further, we get 40 times b is b squared, which is this. We can leave the multiplication sign out, which is this. So that's how you simplify with two the same numbers if they are multiplied. That's the rule you have to follow. You can also have more than one or two letters. So for example, I can have -2 times c times 6 times 2 times a times b. Well, let's see how we can rewrite this order. So first put all the numbers in front, which gives us -2 times 6 times 2. And then we write the letters in alphabetical order, which gives us a times b times c. Well, if we simplify this, we get -4 times 6, which gives us -24. A, B, C. We can't simplify the letters any further, but maybe if you have this example, -24 A times B, you can have, instead of B times B, you can have B squared. Well, this is everything you need to know for now. Good luck with the exercises and till next time.